Hello students, today we will discuss chapter 26C. In this chapter we will see the inclination, slope and intercept. Okay, so first we read what inclination. What is inclination? Inclination of a straight line. This is a straight line. Okay, so here inclination of a straight line makes a angle theta, this is theta angle, makes a angle theta with positive direction of x-axis, that is in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, this is called inclination. So this is a straight line and this straight line makes a angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. This is the positive direction, this is the positive direction of x-axis. Okay, so this angle makes this angle always stay with the positive direction of x-axis, that is in the anti-clockwise direction. This is anti-clockwise. You see here students, this is clockwise direction and this is anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so we denotate inclination as theta. Theta is here inclination. Okay, so you understand what is inclination. So a line makes an angle theta with a positive direction of x-axis, that is anti-clockwise direction of x-axis, never clockwise direction. Now let's understand the what is anti-clockwise direction. You see here, this is a clock and this is clockwise direction. You know this is clockwise direction and this is anti-clockwise direction. Okay, let's take an example. This is a straight line, this is x and this is x dashed, this is y and this is y dashed. So here this is a straight line, it makes an angle 45 degree, this is 45 degree and this is theta. So the inclination of this straight line is 45 degree. Okay, anti-clockwise direction of x-axis. So here let's take another example. This is a straight line. Here this straight line makes a angle theta, this is angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis, that is in the anti-clockwise direction of x-axis. So this is theta. So suppose this is a right angle triangle and this is 90 degree angle and this side is same. So this angle will be 45 and this angle will be 45. So the here total angle is 180. So this angle will be 180 minus 45. This is clockwise direction, this is 45 degree and this is anti-clockwise direction, this will be (180 minus 45) 135. Here this angle 180, so this angle will be 180 minus 45, so this is 135. Okay, now we read slope. So what is slope? If inclination of a line is theta, then slope of a line is tan theta. So slope is denoted by letter m. Here m equals to tan theta. So slope is tan theta. We denotate slope as m equals to tan theta. So if we take theta equals to 30 degree, here inclination 30 degree, then slope is m equals to we know tan theta, here theta 30, so tan theta equals to 1 by root 3. If theta 45 degree, then slope is equal to m is equal to tan of 45, here theta 45. So we know tan 45 degree equals to 1. Now for x-axis, the line is here, this is a line, this line is parallel to x-axis. Then here inclination is theta equals to 0 degree. Okay. So for x-axis or horizontal axis, horizontal line, we get theta 0 degree. Then slope equals to m equals to tan 0 degree equals to 0. Okay. So now for y-axis. For y-axis, so this the coordinate plane x dash and y dash. So for y-axis, the y-axis always perpendicular to the x-axis. Okay, and if we take a line which is parallel to y-axis and which is perpendicular, always perpendicular to x-axis, so this angle will be 90 degree. Then theta 90 degree, slope, then slope equals to m equals to tan 90. We know tan 90 equals to infinity. So in this is not defined. Okay. Now we read y-intercept. So what is intercept? You see, if a line meets y-axis at a point, here this is a line which meets y-axis at a point, this is point A. So here the distance from origin to this point is called y-intercept. Okay, so it is denoted by C. Here y-intercept is C. So if a straight line meet at a point, okay, on a y-axis, so this here the distance from origin to this point is called intercept. This is y-intercept because it meet y-axis. Okay. Now this is the positive direction. Okay. So here above origin, then y-intercept always positive. Okay. This is the origin and this is the above of origin. So the above position, okay, if we measured the above origin, then y-intercept is always positive. Okay. If we take a straight line, this is a straight line, so from origin to this point, here you see that this line meets y-axis in the negative direction of y-axis at a point A. So the distance from origin to this point is y-intercept, but this is negative y-intercept because it measured below origin. Okay, then y-intercept is here negative. Similarly, we have x-intercept when the distance from origin to this point, which is located at x-axis, so the distance from origin to this point is x-intercept. Okay. Now now we read, find the slope and y-intercept of a straight line. How do we find the slope and y-intercept of a straight line? Let the given line is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So now by equals to, we write by equals to minus ax minus c. Here we are shifting ax plus c on the right hand side. Then we get minus x minus c. So y equals to minus x by b minus c by b. Here coefficient of x, is slope. Coefficient of x is here minus a by b. So this is slope, and the constant term here, constant term is minus c by b. This is y-intercept. Okay. So now let's the chapter 26 see. Okay. So first question is here. Question number 1. You see. So you see, in each of the following find the inclination of a line AB. Okay. So here you see this side and this side, and this side is equal, and this is the right angle triangle. So here you see this is 90 degree angle, right angle, and this side is equal. Then we get this angle is 45 and this angle also 45. Okay. So here inclination of a line is 45 degree. Okay. Hence the inclination of a line is 45 degree. Then second question, here you see this is this side and this side is here equal. Okay, and this is 90 degrees, so this will be 45 and 45, and we need the inclination in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, anti-clockwise direction of a line. Okay, so here you see this is the total, here total angle is 180 and this is 45, so this will be 180 minus 45, 135. Okay. Now question number 3, this is x and this is 2x. Okay, so you know here you see this is 90 degree angle, so we know the sum of the angles of a triangle is always 180. So here x plus 2x plus 90 equals to 180. So 3x equals to 180, 90 in the we are shifting 90 in the right hand side. So here minus 90. So this is 90 degree. So x is 90 by 3. So this is 30 degree. Okay. Now question number 2. Write the inclination of a line which is parallel to x-axis. When a line parallel to x-axis, then inclination always 0. Okay. So here theta equals to 0 degree. And perpendicular to x-axis. So here you see a line which is perpendicular to x-axis, then then inclination will be 90 degree. So theta equals to 90 degree. Question number 3, parallel to y-axis. When a line parallel to y-axis, then this angle will be here theta equals to 90 degree. Inclination will be 90 degree. When a line perpendicular to y-axis, this line is here perpendicular to y-axis. Okay, then this is parallel to x-axis, then theta equals to 0 and inclination of a line is 0 degree. Question number 3, write the slope of the line whose inclination is 0 degree. So here inclination theta equals to 0 degree, then slope equals to m equals to tan 0. We know tan theta, m equals to tan theta, here theta 0 degree, so tan 0 degree equals to, we know, 0. When theta equals to 30 degree, then slope equals to m equals to tan 30 degree equals to, we know, 1 by root 3. Tan 30 degree equals to 1 by root 3. here you see theta inclination, here theta equals to 45 degree, slope equals to m tan 45. So we know tan 45 equals to 1. Theta equals to 60 degree, slope m equals to tan 60 degree equals to, we know, root 3. Question number 4. Find the inclination of a line whose slope is this. So first, slope m equals to 0. Then we know tan theta equals to 0 equals to, we know, 0 equals to tan 0 degree. So here theta equals to 0 degree. Okay, here slope is 1, m is 1, then tan theta equals to 1, we know tan 45 equals to 1, then theta equals to here 45 degree. Slope is m equals to root 3, then tan theta equals to root 3 equals to tan 60 degree. So here theta equals to 60 degree. Question number 4, 1 by root 3. So slope is here 1 by root 3. Then tan theta equals to 1 by root 3 equals to tan 30 degree. So here in inclination theta equals to 30 degree. Okay. Question number 5. Write the slope of the line which is parallel to x-axis. When a line parallel to x-axis, then theta equals to always inclination 0 degree. Okay, we know. Then slope equals to m equals to tan theta tan 0 degree, then 0. When perpendicular to x-axis, a line which is perpendicular to x-axis, then theta equals to 90 degree, then slope m equals to tan 90. So this is not defined. So parallel to y-axis, when a line parallel to y-axis, then this is perpendicular to x-axis, then this angle is 90 degree. Okay, so m equals to 90 tan 90, tan 90 equals to infinite. So this is not defined. Here perpendicular to y-axis, a line which is perpendicular to y-axis, then this is parallel to x-axis. So theta equals to 0. So m equals to slope equals to tan 0, so equals to 0. Question number 6. For each of the equations given below, find the slope and the y-intercept. So here first equation is x plus 3y plus 5 equals to 0. This is imply 3y equals to minus 5x minus 5 minus x. So y equals to minus 5 minus x by 3. So we can write here minus x by 3 plus minus 5 by 3. The equation of any straight line in the form of y equals to mx plus c. So we can write this equation x plus 3y plus 5 in the form of y equals to mx plus c. Okay, this is the equation of straight line. Okay, so any equation of the straight line we can write in the form of y equals to mx plus c. Here we compare y equals to mx plus c with this equation. So here you see m equals to minus 1 by 3. This is slope, and c equals to y-intercept. We know this is minus 5 by 3. Now question number 2, you see 3x minus y minus 8 equals to 0. Here y equals to 3x minus 8. So now we can write 3x plus minus 8. So now we compare this equation with y equals to mx plus c. Here m 3 and c equals to minus 8. Y-intercept. Okay, this is y-intercept. Now question number 3, 5x equals to 4y plus 7. So here we can write 5x minus 7 equals to 4y. Okay, so we are shifting plus 7 on the left hand side, so we can write minus 7. So y equals to 5x minus 7 by 4. Here we can write 5x by 4 plus minus 7 by 4. So now we compare this equation with in the form of y equals to mx plus c. So here you see m equals to slope equals to 5 by 4 and c y-intercept equals to minus 7 by 4. So question number 4, x equals to 5y minus 4. So here we have to calculate the object of y. So here we can write 5y equals to x plus 4. So y equals to x plus 4 by 5. So x by 5 plus 4 by 5. So here we compare this equation with mx plus c. So here m equals to 1 by 5 slope and y intercept equals to constant term 4 by 5. And question number 5, y equals to 7x minus 2. So here we can write 7x plus minus 2. So here compare mx plus c. M is here 7 and y intercept, this is constant term, is minus 2. 6. Question number 6, 3y plus equals to 7. So here y equals to 7 by 3. So here the x the term of x mx is, we can write 0 into x. So here slope is, we compare this equation with mx plus c. So here m is 0 and c equals to y intercept is 7 by 3. Okay, then now question number 7. Now question number 7, 4y plus 9 equals to 0, 4y equals to minus 9. So y equals to minus 9 by 4 plus, we can write the term of x is 0 into x. So m is here 0 slope and the y intercept is minus 9 by 4. Question number 7, first question, slope is here 2 and y intercept is here minus 8. Okay, sorry, first question, m equals to 2 and y intercept is c equals to 3. So now we can find the equation of the line. So equation of the line is here y equals to mx plus c. So m is here 2 and c is here 3. So this is the required straight line. Question number 2, slope 5 and y intercept minus 8. So we can write y equals to mx plus c. This is the straight line. This is the form of straight line. So here m 5 and intercept is here c equals to minus 8. So 5x minus 8. This is the straight line. This is the equation of straight line. And the question number 3, slope minus 4 and y intercept 2. So here m minus 4 and c 2. This is c. So y equals to mx plus c. M is here minus 4 plus 2. So y equals to minus 4x plus 2. This is the required equation of straight line. Question number 4, slope minus 3 and c equals to y intercept equals to minus 1. So we can write y equals to mx plus c. Here m minus 3 and c minus 1. So minus 3x minus 1. Question number 5, slope 0 and y intercept minus 5. So we can write y equals to mx plus c. So here m 0 and c minus 5. So this is minus 5. 6. Question number 6, slope 0 and y intercept 0. So y equals to mx plus c. Here m 0 and c 0. So we can write y equals to 0. This is the required equation of a straight line. Question number 8, draw the line 3x plus 4y equals to 12 on a graph paper. From the graph paper, read the y intercept of the line. So here equation 3x plus 4y equals to 12. So 4y 12 minus 3x, y equals to 12 minus 3x by 4. Okay, so we need to draw a graph. We need to at least 2 points. Okay, for this 2 point, to draw a straight line for this 2 point, we take here first x intercept. So for x intercept, y equals to 0. Okay, then we get y 0 equals to 12 minus 3x. So 3x equals to 12. So x equals to 4. And for y intercept, x 0, then y equals to 3. So this point is 0, 3 and 4, 0. Okay, now we put this point on the graph. I plot here 0, 3 and 4, 0. Then we draw a straight line. This is the straight line. Okay, so here from the graph we can find the y intercept. We know the y intercept is the distance from origin to this point. So this is 3. So the required y intercept is 3. Question number 9, draw the line 2x minus 3y minus 18 equals to 0 on a graph paper. From the graph paper, read the y-intercept of the line. So here 2x minus 3y minus 18 equals to 0. This is the given line. So here y equals to 2x minus here y equals to 2x minus 18 by 3. So the table is here, x and y. Now to draw a straight line, we need at least 2 points. So for these 2 points, we take x intercept. For x intercept, y equals to 0. So here y is 0, then we get 2x minus 18 equals to 0. So 2x 18, x equals to 9. So x 9 and y 0. When x 0, then we get y equals to minus 6. This is the y-intercept. So now we plot these points in a graph. So here 9 0, this is 9 0 point, and this is 0 minus 6. Now we draw a straight line. This is the straight line. So here you see the y-intercept is minus 6. The distance from origin to this point is minus 6. Okay. So this is the this point is below from origin. Okay. So y-intercept is here negative. So question number 10, draw the graph of a straight line x plus y equals to 5. Use the graph paper drawn to find the inclination and y-intercept of the line. So here x plus y equals to 5, then y equals to 5 minus 6. So here the table is x and y. So when x 0, then y 5, and when y 0, then x equals to 5. So now we plot these points in the graph. So here this is 5 0 point and this is 0 5 point. Now we draw a straight line. This is the straight line. Okay. This is the straight line. So here you see the y-intercept is here. This y-intercept is above the origin. So this is positive. So here from origin to this point, the distance from origin to this point is 5. So y-intercept is here 5. Now we have to find the inclination. So you see this distance is 5. Okay. This distance from origin to this point, this distance is 5, and origin to this point distance is 5. So here this side and this side is same. So this is a triangle, this is a right angle triangle, then this angle is 90 degree. Okay. So this angle is 90 degree, and this angle is same. So this is 45 and this is 45, and the total angle is 180. So this angle will be 180 minus 45 is equal to 135. So here theta equals to inclination is 135. This is the anti-clockwise direction of x-axis. Now we can find the inclination in another way. So here y equals to mx plus c. This is the equation of straight line, you know. So here m equals to minus 1 and c equals to 5. So m equals to, you know, tan theta equals to minus 1. So we can write minus 1 tan here theta equals to tan inverse. We are shifting tan in the right hand side, so we can write tan inverse. Okay. So tan inverse minus 1. So here you see minus tan inverse 1. So here 1 equals to, we know, tan 45 degree. Okay. So tan inverse and tan we can here vanish. Then here we have minus 45 degree. So theta equals to here 180 minus 45 degree equals to 135 degree, because theta is always belongs theta is always belongs from 0 to 180 degree, 0 degree to 180 degree. So here we can write 180 minus 45 degree. So this is theta inclination is 135 degree. Okay.